Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with HexBot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05 millimeter high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HexBot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HexBot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HexBot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HexBot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HexBot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HexBot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HexBot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop.
Freedom is what we're born to look for. What if you had your own cameraman to record every memorable moment? Meet OBSBot Tail, the smart robotic cameraman and director. OBSBot Tail is the world's first auto-director AI camera powered by an AI chip that can process up to an astonishing 5 trillion flops. It enables you to be your own actor, director, and cameraman all at the same time. Tell OBSBot Tail who to track? Or let it choose by itself. OBSBot Tail, its unique and powerful AI tracking technology, moves the camera head automatically to track your movement. The Power Gesture feature lets you use different gestures to control OBSBot Tail. OBSBot Tail extracts your memorable moments automatically. OBSBot Tail delivers 4K 60 FPS videos and is capable of recording up to 240 FPS so that you can shoot nearly all types of time-lapse videos. It has a superior quality 1/2.3-inch Sony CMOS sensor and a set of 10 advanced lenses, with 4 of them being Hoya aspheric lenses. OBSBot Tail is also the first camera to have a 3-axis PTZ system supporting a physical 360-degree panning. OBSBot Studio is a powerful free app that lets you do cool things like have multiple shooting ratios and use vertical shooting mode. Use mirroring to show the real-time inversion videos so that it's easier for you to learn how to dance. Add synchronization filters. OBSBot Tail will become your smart, AI-enabled cameraman who films your life seamlessly. OBSBot Tail. Be your own director.
Here at GoSun, we believe the sun is capable of powering our lives, so we create solar-powered devices to fuel the world. Today, we're excited to release the GoSun Go, a solar stove that roasts a meal in minutes, can be taken anywhere, works any day, yet remains cool to touch no matter how hot. Just like it's named, the GoSun Go comes in a bomb-proof package, ready for outdoor adventure or relaxing at home with friends. If you're craving a hot drink or need to sterilize water, flip the adjustable stand and use it vertically to boil. 14 ounces are ready in as little as 30 minutes. The secret to our breakthrough technology is the solar vacuum tube, which acts as a perfect insulator, trapping your food's moisture and flavor. Cooking made us human, and it continues to bring us together. It's an international language and an art.
As a kid, I was encouraged to explore and pretty much do whatever I wanted, and I was really attracted to cooking because of the creative process involved. It's like my creative outlet even to this day. And I love gathering friends and family together and serving up a hot plate of food. I'm Patrick Sherwin, and I'm a solar energy guy. I've been working with renewable energy for a long time, and I came up with GoSun 5 years ago, and we were chasing a big dream, trying to fit fuel-free cooking into the bellies of people around the world. It's clean, easy, and healthy. And for some people, this may be the only alternative where they're not burning something for dinner tonight.
Most people think that solar is too expensive or that it doesn't work. So GoSun has made an affordable solution that's 4 times more efficient than solar panels and works its magic whenever needed. Packed with power and free from batteries, the GoSun Go is something you can take anywhere to cook up a hot meal or drink with no effort. No gas, no fire, no safety hazard, and no mess to clean up.
The GoSun Go is like a ticket to an adventure with no strings attached. There's no fuel to burn, there's no mess to clean up. It's in this tiny little case that you can take anywhere. You can cook just about anything through the clouds, through the freezing cold, all just with the power of the sunlight. And what more could you want?
When it comes to outdoor cooking, we're just getting better at burning and smoking meat. That's the same thing we've been doing for 350,000 years. GoSun invites you to join the 21st century solar revolution. We want you to experience the magic of the sun and share its goodness.